Factory, and I'm here at Prestige Imports for their Exotic and Espresso event. I'm here actually inside of the new dealership, this is Prestige Imports 2.0, and this is actually the world's largest exotic car dealership. So they got a couple of cool things here. I know I've been around before, but they always have something cool and new in here. I see a Bugatti Veyron. There's a very special modified Ferrari 488 GTB, and there's this beautiful Bugatti Huayra behind me. So let's take a walk around the dealership and see what's here. All right, starting in this corner, we got a LaFerrari, full carbon Pagani Huayra. This is Brett David's car. Over here is a Porsche 918. It's a little dark, you gotta brighten this up. This is the Pagani Zonda, something or the other. Oh gosh, I've seen this car before. This is the Zonda F, I think? Yes. This is the Pagani Zonda F. Over here is a Ferrari 458 Spider. Looks like a Cayman GT4. Ferrari 599. And McLaren SLR. As well as its cousin, the SLR 722S. Look at this. 722S badging. Carbon fiber dash. Let's keep going. Over here, got a couple of Rolls Royces. Look at that. Ferrari California into a McLaren, I guess it's an MP4. Here is a 675 LT from McLaren. These funky wheels. Oh, that's right. This is a 675 LT Spider. So it's got a dry carbon center console, dry carbon steering wheel. Very neat. So we got 911. I believe this is a Lotus Evora. Heritage Edition Ford GT. Another 911. I think this might be one of their special Endurance Edition models. Actually, this might be my friend Robbie's car. Yeah, never mind. This is my friend Robbie's car. Is he selling it? Oh man. Yeah, that's it right there. So his name was GT3 Robbie. So I don't know if he's changing his name or not, but maybe he's upgrading to the next GT3. So we'll find out. This is a Ferrari F12. Next to another white F12. Here's a Ferrari Lamborghini Performante. Here's a Huracan Spider rear-wheel drive. Oh yeah, of course. There's this Pagani Huayra. Look at this. I love the white paint next to the exposed carbon. Very nice. This is a LaFerrari. Next to another Huayra. This one's red with some of the exposed carbon. And over here, Bugatti Veyron. So this one is black and white. It's got polished aluminum, or kind of a brushed aluminum actually, for the intakes. Those both flank the 16.4 engine, the 16-cylinder, 8-liter, 4 turbochargers, W16 engine. Next to this adjustable wing. You actually get a pier down in there. That's actually the titanium exhaust. And judging by the fact that very little of it has turned purple, probably has very few miles on this car. This interior. In I think Giallo Modena is this beautiful Ferrari 458 Speciale Spider. Oh, wait a second. Is this what I think it is? This is the 458 Speciale A. This is the Speciale Aperta. And this is like, the normal Speciale is probably around like 300, 400,000. These are going for around 600 to 700,000. So to see it out here the dealership is just this is a beautiful thing. And I think this is a customer car. I don't think this is a dealership car. Wow, look at this. Look at this spec. So this center is actually like this perforated cloth, kind of like what you might see on like a high performance, like some gym wear or something. And then the outer covering is Alcantara. So with the limited edition plaque there. Look at that. What's this here? Best performance engine 2011, 12, and 14. Look at this. The Speciale Aperta. Beautiful. Over here you have your usual assortment of Porsches. You got 911s, Caymans, Boxsters. This little classic guy right here. Look at this. Lava orange 911. Infiniti Q60 just showed up. And here's this beautiful Datsun 240Z or 280Z or 280ZX. Honestly, for me, even being a Nissan fan, they're a little difficult to tell. Yeah, it doesn't help. There's no badge. guys, that's it for today. If you like that, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe, and if you have perhaps a comment or suggestion, or if you want to tell me how much you like my fro, be sure to leave a comment. See ya. Bye.